Ever wondered how Expensify handles client billing? It's a question that often pops up, especially for teams managing multiple clients and complex expense reports. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the specifics of client billing, let's quickly recap how Expensify works for individual users. When you, as an individual, use Expensify, you typically submit expense reports, and the platform automatically categorizes and calculates your expenses. It's a streamlined process that saves you time and effort. Client billing, a deeper dive. Now, when you're managing clients, things can get a bit more intricate. Expensify offers a robust solution to handle client billing efficiently. Here's a breakdown of the key steps involved. Create client projects. The first step is to create projects for each of your clients. This helps you organize expenses and track time spent on different client tasks. Assign expenses to clients. Once you've created projects, you can assign expenses to specific clients. This is often done by adding a client code or tag to each expense item. Generate detailed reports. Expensify allows you to generate detailed reports that break down expenses by client. These reports provide a clear overview of the costs incurred for each client. Export invoices. With a few clicks, you can export these reports as invoices. These invoices can be customized to include your branding, logo, and specific client information. Integrate with accounting software. Expensify integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. This integration streamlines the billing process by automatically syncing invoices and payments. Key features for efficient client billing. Customizable templates. Create custom invoice templates to match your brand and specific client requirements. Automated approvals. Set up automated approval workflows to ensure timely processing of expense reports and invoice generation. Real-time reporting. Access real-time reports to monitor spending and billing status for each client. Multiple currency support. Easily handle expenses and invoices in different currencies. A quick tip: leveraging Expensify's API. For advanced users, Expensify's API offers even more flexibility. You can integrate the API with your custom billing systems to automate tasks like invoice generation and payment processing. With Expensify's powerful client billing features, you can streamline your financial processes and improve accuracy. By understanding the basics and leveraging advanced features, you can effectively manage client expenses and generate accurate invoices. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.